we got Henry for Stephen's birthday because he was poorly and give him something to do.
That was when I was in Anna Park. That was when the nurse told her I was going to die that night. I had my pancreas trouble and she thought I had cancer on my lung. It wasn't, it was just an abscess. And he said I was going to die. But I wasn't. You should have seen him before. No, he falls asleep. He puts his head under his wing there. Or he stands on one leg. Look, he's shaking. Oh well. That's plaster, you silly boy. Only that. When Joyce came in last night, she said she had a bang in there. She lifted the curtain up and there he was on the floor, just walking around. He tried to jump off his swing to get a drink of water or something, or get some seeds. No, because it was dark. He jumped off his swing and missed the cup completely and just went bang hit the floor. Just wait till he dies. I can't take him to the vet. I'd like to see him. I just had to wait for him to see him. Just come in one morning and find him at the bottom of the cage. Have you seen it? I've shown you the coffin, haven't I? Need a coffin for him. That's all his feathers. Collected them over the years. Look, there's a little black one. I keep that one on the top. Henry died 3 weeks ago, Monday morning, about 2:30. He died in my hand, so I just put him in his little coffin, buried him here. Where now?